So today I'm going to navigate my way in the arrangement view of Ableton. So if we push tab, we'll see the session view, and tab again, we'll go back to the arrangement view. So the timeline in arrangement view is displayed horizontally here, and the tracks are displayed vertically, like so. If you click anywhere in the timeline and push the space button,
make me nervous just by being,
then the track will start playing, and if you push stop, obviously it will stop. We've got the magnifying glass here that we can zoom in and out on the track. And to loop the track, we take this loop selection here. We can move that anywhere along the timeline. And with the handlebar cursor, we can adjust that however we like. And just make sure that the loop button is on up here by clicking on it, or we can push Command L for loop and then push the space bar. So we can resize the tracks also down here in the track section. So just by clicking on that and dragging that up and down. If we push Option and click, it will move all the tracks. We can also minimize the tracks with this triangle here in the track section, just by clicking on that. You can also push Option and click, and it will minimize all of the tracks for you. With your keyboard arrows, you can toggle across the grid divisions here. So we've just got the grid off, so if I turn that back on and toggle across, it will go across the grid dividers. So if we right click, we've got two options here on the grid. One's an adaptive grid, one's the fixed grid. So the adaptive grid will show the dividers depending on how much you zoom in or zoom out. So if we press narrow with the magnifying glass, you can see those dividers adjusting according to the size. If we right click and go to the fixed grid and we pick the quarter notes, you'll see that that's just a fixed grid there. They don't adjust or move. They will show quarter notes in each bar. So to trim a clip, you can also just get your cursor and hold it to the top right corner here and just simply drag it across. Same at the start of the track as well. So to split the track, if you press your cursor on the top, you'll notice that it clicks only to the grid. To change this, you right click, come down to the grid section, and you can just turn that off. And you can see now that you can click anywhere on that track. So to split it, you just press Command and E for edit, and it's now split that track for us. And then everything else that we've gone through already is already the same. So the browser's still on the left-hand side, the info view is down here on the left. Down your bottom view, you've got your instrument and the track info, and then on the right, you'll also have your help view. And that's it. Thank you.